Hello everyone, today I will be showing you these magnetic building blocks. Let's open that up and see how they look. Alright, so here's how it looks when you open the box. Let's dump those out. Oh, that was very loud. Santa? Hey, get Santa. Santa. Let's get a closer look. So this is kind of how the blocks go together. Very smooth, and they can go any direction and still easily connect with high playability. It said on the box, but I'll say it again, you have 150 of these magnetic blocks that come in 18 different colors. And you also get the idea booklet with a storyline and many different patterns and colors. With these magnetic blocks, you can build anything that comes to mind, from experienced or just simple builds. If you're someone out there who's looking for the perfect magnetic building block set for your kid or even for yourself, then these are perfect for you.